apply the latest.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cameron County and north central Pennsylvania, northwestern Clearfield County and central Pennsylvania, Elk County and north central Pennsylvania, NCKEAN County and north central Pennsylvania, northwestern Potter County and north central Pennsylvania, Warren County and north central Pennsylvania, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Jamestown west to Hightown to Cranberry, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Youngsville, Russell, Warren, and Scandia, Kinzua Dam, Sheffield, and Ludlow, Marshburg, and Bradford. This will impact Interstate 80 between mile markers 97 and 105. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 6, Route 62, Route 119, Route 219, Route 322, State Road 46, State Road 59, State Road 66, State Road 120, State Road 153, State Road 255, State Road 446, State Road 449. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now, to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Warren County, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 15 miles north of Titusville to 9 miles west of Titusville to 15 miles southwest of Meadville, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Titusville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now, and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Crawford County, Pennsylvania.
This is no